Hey guys, what is going on? It is Dr. Linz. Today we are doing a Fabletics review. Woo! I'm going to tell you about my favorite Fabletics bra, and actually these are my favorite leggings that I've tried from them in a long time, and I'll tell you why here in a second. Don't forget to give this a like, comment below if you need any tips, and I'll have these linked up directly for you to get a shopping, and also does help support me as well. Thank you so much. So let's go ahead. I'm going to tell you what I'm wearing here. I just pulled that out of my handy dandy pocket on these side leggings, which I love. All right, what do we have here for the sports bra? Trinity High Impact sports bra. That is right, high impact, which is great because I like high support sports bras because I do have a bigger chest. I'm about 34 a D. Okay, so with this bra, this is my favorite bra from Fabletics because it is a high support bra, but it's not pinching me anywhere. It's very comfortable. You know, sometimes when you have those high support bras, it's like you can't move in it. I don't feel that way in this bra. Some features that I really enjoy is the high neck, so my chest is not hanging out. So the high neck is nice. It does have these thick straps here for that high impact support. Then we have the thick band below, which I love. Thick band almost makes it seem like a crop top sports bra, which you can then wear with high-waisted leggings and not show too much of your midsection. So love those features. Then the back, it's a normal razor back, okay, nothing crazy there, but it does have a 3-pocket feature, which again, I don't really know what I'm going to put back there, but it's there. It's a cool design. It's cute. This bra is a size small, and again, I'm a 34D. Okay, and then we have the Trinity high-waisted 7/8 pant. That's what I'm wearing in this video, and compared to their power hold, I know a lot of ladies love their power hold. I like this material better, which makes sense because it's their Motion 365 fabric, which I have a pair of maroon ones that I really love from them in that fabric. So it makes sense why I love these leggings so much, because it's just more of an athletic feel to me compared to like the power hold, or the power holds is more like a cottony feel. It's a thicker feel. So these would be great for the warmer months. Some reasons why I like these leggings. One, you guys know they're high-waisted. It hits right above like my belly button here. High-waisted, holds me in, has a nice max compression. Really enjoy that. The seams are pretty standard on the pants, okay, so nothing crazy there. Then we got side pockets, which is nice when we're going on a walk. Maybe we're going to the gym. You can stick your phone in there, stick your keys. There's 3 pockets as well, so it's like a layered 3-pocket thing on the side here, which is kind of cool. You can kind of get organized on your side pockets there if you want to. And then let's talk about the back. I really like how it doesn't cut the glutes off. The seam goes right above my booty, which is nice because that's going to accentuate all that hard work, girl. And these leggings are a size small, which I've worn across the board in all my Fabletics leggings. And really, I feel like this outfit, when I put it on, I loved it more than when it came into the package. So I love how it matches. I do love the feel of it, and this is definitely a outfit that I can work out in and then pair it with like a white V-neck shirt or something like that. That is my review here for this outfit. I love it. I love the Trinity set. Give it a look. I'll put the link below and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm here to help you guys.